Having the right essential items in your kitchen is crucial for efficient cooking and meal preparation. From versatile tools to reliable appliances, these essentials simplify your tasks and save time while enhancing your cooking experience. Investing in high-quality kitchen essentials ensures durability and better results in the long run. In this video, we are going to introduce you to the top 8 essential items for the kitchen that you need for a more organized and functional cooking space. So let's find your perfect match. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Silicone Spatula. This spatula is a versatile tool designed for stirring and scraping in small bowls. Its compact size makes it ideal for precise tasks, whether you're mixing batters or folding delicate ingredients. Crafted from high-quality silicone, the spatula is heat-resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring durability and safety in high-temperature cooking. It won't warp, discolor, or melt, making it reliable for everyday use. The silicone-covered head and neck are seamless and easy to clean, while the soft, non-slip handle offers a comfortable grip. Safe for non-stick cookware and bakeware, this spatula won't scratch surfaces, ensuring your kitchen tools last longer. It's dishwasher safe, adding convenience to your cleanup routine. Elevate your kitchen essentials with this durable and multifunctional tool. To get one for your kitchen, check out the link in the description. Number 2. Ateco 1385 Offset Spatula. This spatula is a must-have for precision in your kitchen tasks. Featuring a tapered ground stainless steel blade, it provides even flexibility, ensuring smooth spreading and lifting for all your baking needs. The blade measures 3/4 by 4.5 inches, making it perfect for detailed icing work or lifting delicate items like cookies or pastries. Designed with a natural wood handle, it offers a classic look and a comfortable grip. The blade is securely attached with 2 sturdy rivets, ensuring durability and reliability during use. This offset spatula, crafted with professional quality in mind, is ideal for both home bakers and professionals seeking a dependable tool for detailed tasks. If you're looking to enhance your kitchen arsenal, the Ateco offset spatula is a great addition. Find the purchase link in the description below. Number 3. Stainless Steel Mini Whisk. This whisk is designed for quick, precise whisking in small batches. Its compact size fits perfectly into narrow or shallow bowls and cups, making it ideal for scrambling eggs, whipping cream, or frothing milk. Measuring just 7.25 inches, it's easy to store in slim drawers or utensil holders. The sturdy stainless steel wires maintain their shape, ensuring consistent mixing every time. The sleek handle, etched with a permanent label, is ergonomically designed and perfect for both adults and kids, encouraging little helpers in the kitchen. This whisk is also perfect for elegant drinks, helping to create foamy textures in egg whites, hot cocoa, matcha, or instant coffee. Built with durability in mind, it's dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleanup. Upgrade your kitchen tools with this versatile and reliable whisk. Check out the link in the description to purchase. Number 4. RSVP Prep Bowl Set. This bowl set combines durability and functionality, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. Crafted from heavy-duty 18/8 stainless steel, these bowls boast a clean, polished appearance with wide rims for a comfortable grip. This set includes 4 bowls, each with a matching lid, perfect for prepping, storing, or serving ingredients. The stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance, resisting stains and odors. The lids fit snugly to keep food fresh, making these bowls ideal for meal prepping or storing leftovers. Both the bowls and lids are dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup after use. Whether you're whipping up a sauce, organizing ingredients, or storing snacks, this versatile set has you covered. Upgrade your kitchen essentials with this durable, stylish, and practical bowl set. Interested? Click the link in the description to purchase now. Number 5. SEWANTA Mason Jars. These jars are a versatile kitchen essential, perfect for canning, preserving, and crafting. Each 16-ounce jar features embossed measurement markings for precise filling and a label line to keep track of dates and contents. Made from durable soda-lime glass in the USA, These jars are USDA approved, toxin-free, and heat-tempered, ensuring they're safe for water bath canning, microwaving, and dishwashing. Designed with a wide mouth, they allow for effortless filling, washing, and even layering parfaits or salads. The airtight seal, made with a time-tested sealing compound, ensures your food stays fresh. Refrigerate for up to 3 weeks, freeze for up to a year, or preserve for up to 18 months. Perfect for beverages, desserts, or DIY crafts, these jars combine functionality with vintage charm. Click the link in the description to add this practical and stylish product to your kitchen today. Number 6. OXO Good Grips Cutting Board. This cutting board is a compact 7.23 by 10.75 inch prep board, perfect for smaller slicing and chopping tasks. Its double-sided, non-porous surfaces resist odors and are gentle on knife blades, ensuring long-lasting performance. The soft, tapered edges double as comfortable handles for easy carrying, while the integrated drip catcher and easy pour corners minimize messes during food preparation. Non-slip feet provide excellent stability, keeping the board securely in place as you chop and slice with precision. Built from durable materials, this cutting board is dishwasher safe, offering effortless cleanup after use. Its lightweight and compact design make it a must-have for efficient and tidy meal preparation. To upgrade your kitchen with this practical and reliable cutting board, click the link in the description to make it yours today. Number 7. OXO Good Grips Silicone Brush. This brush is a versatile kitchen tool, designed for precision and durability. Its unique bristle design ensures liquids are held efficiently without clumping or retaining odors, making it perfect for spreading marinades, oils, or glazes. The patented center hole bristles facilitate effective liquid transfer, while the tapered outer bristles gently handle delicate pastries with care. Crafted from heat-resistant silicone, this brush can withstand high temperatures and is dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. The angled head design keeps bristles off the countertop, maintaining hygiene, and the soft, non-slip grip ensures comfortable use during extended cooking sessions. Measuring 7.5 inches in length and 1.5 inches in width, it's compact yet highly functional. Make your kitchen tasks simpler with the OXO Good Grips silicone brush. Check out the link in the description to get yours today. Number 8. Le Creuset Chef's Oven. This oven combines elegance and functionality, making it an essential for any kitchen. Crafted from enameled cast iron, it delivers superior heat distribution and retention for consistent cooking results. The enamel coating requires no seasoning, ensuring it's ready to use right out of the box. Its smooth, light-colored interior enamel allows you to monitor your cooking progress easily, while the tight-fitting lid circulates steam and retains moisture, enhancing the flavors of your dishes. Designed for durability, the enamel resists dulling, staining, chipping, and cracking, ensuring long-lasting performance. This versatile oven is perfect for simmering stews, braising meats, and baking casseroles. With its iconic design and exceptional build quality, it's a standout addition to your cookware collection. If you want to elevate your cooking experience, check out the link in the description to get the Le Creuset Chef's Oven today. Thank you for staying with us. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Let us know which product review you'd like to see next. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, thump this video up and share it with your friends. That's all for now.